Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a form in Wrike. All right, just go ahead and log into your Wrike account. Now, once you're in here, go to the top left and click on your profile. All right, click on it. Now go ahead and go to settings. Just click on settings. Now wait for it to load. Now once it loads, again, go to the left panel and click on request forms. Just click on it. Just gonna close pop-up. And as you can see here, we have these pre-made forms, but what we're going to do is just create one. Just click on plus form, click on it, and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it will require us to name our form. What we're going to do is just click on it and type in the name of our form. For example, I'm just going to type in sample form right here. Okay, sample form in the description for YouTube. Okay. Once that's done, you're going to want to click on the plus sign, which says add a question. Just click on it. Now go ahead and select your option. For example, single answer right here, like the question, what's your name? Like that. Description, write down your name. Okay. If you want it to be required, click on this slider. Okay. Once that's done, just go to scroll down and click on the plus sign once more and to add in some more questions and options, like, for example, day to day or the date of birth, like this. Date of birth. Another one. Multiple answers, like just a sample, okay? Multiple choice. Plus one right here. Another option. Name the option, for example, A, B, like that. And once done, just hit on save. Okay. As you can see here, it is done, but it is set to draft. Just click on it once more. Now go ahead and hit on publish right here at the bottom right. Okay. Just click on it. And it says here your form is published. All right. Here's the link. Just go ahead and click on go to form to see your form. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.